Welcome to Pillow Talk with Leslie Jordan.
The beauty of my exercise regime is that, sweet tea, I love it. Just having to make up things to do to pass the time. I came up with a good one today, though. I painted my toenails. Oh, fried chicken. I love it.
Well, if I can pull myself away from forensic files. Oh, she did it.
Macaroni and cheese. Yesterday, we used the back scratcher to great effect. Today, we're going to make the back scratcher a baton.
So you got a bag of chips and you've got no clips.
I can eat whatever I want, see?
Let's take magnets off the refrigerator. Job done. Watch out, Rachael Ray. I'll take my 3 million followers. I'll start me a little home channel.
Okay, so that was my new best friend. That was Leslie Jordan, and he is a consummate professional, a big old ham from back in the day, a star of stage and screen and television. You know him from everything from Will and Grace to American Horror Story. He's just in so many things, but now he's in our hearts and in our homes. Leslie Jordan, it is an honor, sir, an honor.
So much. I've been home in Tennessee with my family, and they are the biggest Rachael Ray fans in the world. It's playing on 4 televisions. I have to tell you really quickly, 2 nights ago, we were going to do a birthday dinner. Today's my birthday.
Happy birthday! Woo!
And so I am, where are you going?
Happy
Look at, I just pull those right off the dining room table, but they're beautiful. But we were cooking. I wanted fillets, and my sister said we're going to cook them like Rachael. So they seared, and then they put them in the oven. And my sister was over there with a meat thermometer poking them, and I said, "Just cut in the middle, see if it's pink." She said, "We have to let it rest, Leslie. Do you not listen to anything Rachael says? Let it rest." So that's become our call for everything. They'll ask me, let it rest.
You gotta let it rest. We're in the time of let it rest. Leslie, you really have been bringing so much joy to so many people. You know, I'm not great on the social media. So many of my friends send me in little text messages, and I watch over and over and over. You are just so delightful. What has this brought to your life? Is it bringing you joy? And what's the reaction you've been getting?
The reaction is that I get messages. I mean, I can't even go through them. Literally, I'll get 6,000 messages. Like, bam! What are these people doing? Just watching and waiting. But the beautiful part is that it came about in a time where we are all, just nervous about everything, and we're sitting at home. And I feel like that's my job. People have said to me, and I went to 4 million this morning. I hit 4 million. Who do they think I am, Lady Gaga? It's 4 million. But the warmness, I don't think I've ever, people said, "You got to watch out, honey. There'll be a hater in there." Never. I mean, I can't look at all of them, but no one has anything bad to say. They said, we wait for your posts every day. You brighten our day. And I thought, you know what? That's my job right now. We all have a job.
Yeah.
You're cooking and entertaining and taking people away from their daily drudge. My job right now are those little funny posts.